So welcome to the pod, which tonight is from Jamaica. I think you can probably hear the frogs and the crickets in the background because it's rained this afternoon. I am Guy.
Briar's over here. I'm not on the mic because I'm on the technical end tonight because we've got a guest for the first time ever.
First time in 57 pods we've got the guest. It's the first time we've ever had a guest. And of course we have a good reason to have a guest, and that is because I was going to talk a little bit about some Jamaican culture, and I felt I was very much white-splaining a Jamaican phenomenon, and it would be better to get a Jamaican on who can actually talk less shit. And be a bit more knowledgeable, and that person is my old friend Trevor, known really as Cuba.
Yeah, man, I'm here. Good night. Yes,
he's mic'd up.
Yeah, welcome, Cuba.
Yeah. He's not so experienced on the mic, but we'll be okay.
He doesn't need to be.
Yeah, just forget.
He's definitely experienced on the mouth.
What?
Yeah.
What? Oh yeah. He can chat. Him can chat. Yeah. Anyway, I tell you what I wanted to kick off with. Explaining the state of emergency.
Well, the state of the emergency in the country, for me, is taken away, and for many people, it's good.
It's a good thing.
Yeah.
Now, what I see from it is you occasionally have to go through not police but army roadblocks, and they're these like fairly heavily tooled up, fairly well. They look well drilled compared to the police. They look well drilled, and they're in good camouflage. They've got good vehicles, and they look bloody tough. And occasionally you see 3 or 4 of them walking around with a is it M16 they've got, Paul? What guns have they got?
Well, they're assault rifles.
Assault rifles, yeah. And anyway, there is no opposition to them as far as I can see in the community. Is that correct?
Yeah, man.
Except from the ones who are thereafter.
Yeah, the bad guys.
They're after the bad guys. Yeah. And the fact is, tell me, why can't the police deal with the bad guys?
Well, you know, most of the police in Jamaica, they're really like corrupt. They are friends with the bad guys.
Right.
Yeah. Whenever you go in with a statement and say the bad guys here, police get your name back.
To the bad guys?
The bad guys.
Right, okay.
So you and your family.
Slightly annoying.
Yeah.
Classic.
In problem. Yeah.
Yeah, and then they come round and visit you, do they? The bad guys?
Yeah, man, the bad guys go visit people who they call as informer.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Wait, so when they came in, how have they done that? How is it a good thing? What have they done?
Yeah, man, loads of killing, loads of crime off the street. One and few guys get caught with guns on the street, and they've been doing some good work as far as.
So how have they solved it?
Well, they don't really solve it yet, but it calmed down.
Right.
It got escalating like when they wasn't here.
So just the police presence has done that?
No, the army. The army.
The police doing nothing.
Yeah, the police. There was a long time ago, I remember a shootout in the grill between the police and the army. Do you remember that? That was... The police, the army just thought they have a go at the police, try and get them back into line.
Really?
Yeah, and there was a shootout between the police but that doesn't happen this time. I think that, and the police, they keep on the right side of the army. Try to. But sometimes I'm led to believe, I don't know if this is true, you can tell me, occasionally the army go into a community and there's some shooting and some dead bodies there.
Yeah, man.
And it's not fully, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
what we call extrajudicial killing.
Well, the army never really visit somewhere and kill anyone down this side.
Right.
But further might be up.
Further away they do.
Further away they do.
And what do the people? Don't the people think if the army did that in our country, we'd go whoa! You can't just be killing people without a trial and check there's some evidence and all that.
No, man, when the army really come in to kill someone, they are wanted, dead or alive.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
The cops can't handle it. Might be that ex-soldier who is from the army get loose and doing some crazy stuff, so I'm well trained. So the police can't manage it, so.
Right, I see.
Yeah.
So they just go in and clean up.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah,
they wouldn't allow that.
Yeah. No, they would not allow that. No, people would get very upset.
Yeah, they'll bring him to trial.
Yeah, definitely.
Oh, yeah.
Or if they didn't, there would be it happened once in Ireland.
More than once.
Oh, sorry.
Well, excuse me, you know why they can't have a trial here?
Why?
When you go for those guys, those guys
they got guns.
Yeah, shooting.
They're going to shoot back at you, right? Okay, so you can't arrest them.
You can't
arrest them.
So you've got to kill them.
Yeah.
Right, so they don't just pick boys off the street and just shoot them, boom, in the head.
Well, police do that.
The police do that?
Yeah, police do that.
Wow.
Yeah. Even taxi drivers, the police shoot like that on video.
Really? What was the taxi driver doing?
Just an argument by putting in car and the tow truck.
On the tow truck?
Yeah. And the argument developed, might be a wrestling. Going out.
Just shot him.
Yeah.
And the policeman get in trouble?
Well, might be getting in trouble, but we're not really.
Who's going to arrest him?
Well, the government, yeah, man.
Because who's going to arrest a copper if he's a copper?
Yeah, man, cops go to jail here.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
Who arrests them then?
Same cops.
Right, okay.
Yeah, I wouldn't like to go to jail here. Our friend was picked up and has been released since, I'm glad to say, on a murder charge. He was nothing to do with it.
Yeah.
He was just in the wrong place at the wrong time. And he came around here when he was released. He wanted to have a drink with me. And I said, what was it like in the prison? And he said, well, when you go in, they could beat you up.
Yeah, man.
First thing.
Yeah, man. You can't walk in your shoes or slippers.
Why not?
No, man, you're dirty enough inside, you have to take it off outside. When the grill open for you to go in that side, you have to take your shoes or slippers off and bring it in your hand and put it down where you see the other shoes are.
And why do you say that? What's the significance of that?
Well, they will fight him and you'll get licked for that. Yeah.
If you wear your shoes?
Yeah, inside.
Why on earth do they care about you wearing your shoes? These are hardened murderers.
It's them home.
It's them.
Yeah, man.
It's their home, yeah.
Yeah, man, it's their home. You can't just come in and dirty up. If you are the newcomer.
Right.
Yeah.
So they want you to know when you
Yeah,
walk
man.
in.
And you can't just go in and sit.
Yeah.
Now, what do? You go and... what would I do?
Oh, it would be you can't just go in and sit.
Do you think I could stay out of trouble? No.
Yeah, man. You could talk your way out of trouble easy. Yeah, man. In jail.
I've
never been to jail before, but guys with experience tell me. Yeah.
I don't think it's something we want to test though.
Yeah, no, I don't want to go to jail. I definitely.
Andrew, make a good pod.
I definitely.
Make interesting copy, guys.
No, I'm not going to jail for the pod. Yeah.
Take one for the team.
Pod martyr. No.
So the police system in Jamaica are really corrupt,
Yeah, and they cannot clean it up, can they? They sent in an English copper, didn't they? Mark Shield. Mark Shield, and they put him in at the head of the police. He was from Manchester.
Yes.
Yeah.
But them turn him.
Yeah, and couldn't manage it.
He couldn't manage it. No, it was great. I remember that really well. I remember thinking, does this guy understand exactly what he's taken on?
So what happened?
And well, it was about 10 years ago, wasn't it?
Yeah.
It's got a great ending though. It's got a great ending story.
Tell us the story.
So they bring him in, don't they?
Yeah, man, they bring him in and then but the crime business he can't manage it.
No.
Him too soft. Yeah, him too soft. Then change him. I can't remember the next guy that didn't get, but that guy.
Mark Shield.
No, they get rid of Mark Shield.
Yeah.
So then get an ex-commissioner. Can't remember that one name. So
Jamaican again, or Jamaican this time, yeah.
So he bring in his pick like you have a squad, so it's a pick a team. You remember Adams?
Yes.
Renita Adams.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tell us about Renita Adams.
He picked that team and sent him on the street.
Right.
Yeah. Send him down Tivoli for some bad guys.
That's it, and they shot a lot of people in the street.
Yeah.
A lot of people in the street. They just
went mental.
Took their rifles out and just shot people in the street.
Man, police man. When the British man leave.
Wow.
That's
right time to clean up.
That's what
housekeeping.
Yeah, man, Renita Adams and his team.
Yeah, they just went down. They went downtown.
And
I think they had to send the army in to stop that, didn't they?
Yeah.
They had to send the army in to stop that.
So the army shooting at the police again?
I don't think so. They just control them. They just control them. Yeah, they just control them. Yeah.
Too much innocent people get hurt.
Yeah, too much innocent.
Children, ladies, men. Yeah.
I know. Madness on the streets.
So that was a backlash.
But Mark Shield, I have to say, I could see the strain. I could see the strain showing on his face because occasionally you see photographs of him in the Gleaner, and he arrived all upbeat about how he was going to change the police force and it's become more community based and all that. And I looked at it and I thought, you got a bit of a problem trying to get that one through. And he would probably had group meetings where they all discussed community stuff and all that. like that, like blood.
Brainstorm.
You're brainstorming sessions. Yeah. Anyway, but the good thing is about him is that he still lives in Jamaica, I believe. He ended up marrying Miss Jamaica.
Miss Jamaica, yeah.
So he turned local, he turned native. Yeah, he married a hot Kingstonian
He lived
woman.
in Mandeville.
He lives in Mandeville.
Yeah.
He lives in Mandeville
funny.
and just stayed here. Yeah. It is quite funny. It is quite funny. Yeah. So I first knew.
He must have made some good connections then when he was in his time as a.
Yeah, could well, yeah.
Yeah, man, I remember them sending him down, so I meet all those big guys uptown and all those top cops. Yeah, but him should send out a team.
A killing team.
Yeah.
That's the only way that the respect.
Yeah, you need a special squad.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So how old are you now, Cuba?
I'm 44 years old.
Mm-hmm. And how old are you when you met me?
About 14.
About 14, yeah, I remember that.
Yeah, about 14.
Yeah. The village was very different then, wasn't it?
Yeah, village changed up a lot. Very, very different.
Yeah, very different.
This road here used to be a highway.
That's it. And hardly anyone have. Well, some people have electricity, but have one bulb.
One bulb, yeah.
One bulb.
And not many people have television.
Very few people have TV.
One and two.
Who was the lady who had the TV? She was generous. She put her TV in her room.
Miss Nan,
that's it. She put her TV in her sitting room.
All we have kids, man.
Yeah, and then what she did, in the garden, in the yard, she arranged some seating. Because everyone wanted to go in and watch it. She didn't like that. So she put some seating in the yard, and then she opened up her windows so people could go into her yard and you could sit quietly outside on the...
like a movie theatre.
Yeah, like a movie theatre. And when you went there, I only went there one time, and there was like something on the TV, and she would be moving around in her room.
She started selling stuff.
Oh, did she start selling stuff?
Yeah, selling like
ice cream,
cakes and cooler and juice, all different kind of cake
brilliant.
stuff.
So she did have a little movie theatre.
Yeah.
But she didn't sell tickets.
No tickets. It's free.
Free.
Yeah, it was free. Yeah.
But why she said no one on the van? As me told her, just like the guys in jail, they have to take your slippers off.
Right.
Yeah.
To come in the yard.
Yeah.
No, to come on the veranda.
Come on the veranda.
Come on the veranda.
Yeah, man, out in the garden, okay.
Yeah.
On the veranda.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
I used to enjoy that as a kid. That's the only place you could go and watch movie.
Yeah. And that was when TV first came here. I remember that. Yeah.
And it was black and white, no color.
Right.
It was in black and white picture.
And a long time before cell phone, and people used to use the children to send text, didn't they? You send a text, but that's what I mean, like a message.
Send out a kid.
Yeah, you'd send out a child.
Yeah, like my mom would tell me, go tell Mr. Tyra to send like some salt, come.
Yeah.
So you were the text message?
Yeah, you were the text message.
Every kids.
All the kids were crisscrossing the village.
All the kids from different homes, so we could tap and chat little and we run out back with the kids. Every kids.
What's the secrets flying around?
Yeah, sometimes you have to carry something quite secret. True?
Yeah, man. Yeah.
And you learn not to tell the wrong person.
Yeah. If you tell the wrong person, might be a lose it. And you get a whipping.
You get a whipping?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, there's a fair amount of whipping in those days, wasn't there?
Yeah, man. Crazy whipping.
It was a lot of whipping going on. You used to just be walking down the street and see a child being whipped.
Yeah, man.
I never see that now, to be honest. I've only seen it once or twice in those days. Someone take the belt to a really young child.
Yeah, man. Sometimes not even the belt. They just pop a piece of limb off a tree.
Stick
yeah, and just strip it off.
Whoa.
Give it some properly.
Wow.
I've been through loads of that, man.
Yeah. Trevor had a very tough childhood. I remember you.
Yeah, I used to have some of that when I was
Probably
not as bad as you, but it was bad enough.
It wasn't as bad as... Oh, actually, I don't know. It could well have been. I don't really know.
Well, she used to really thump me, you know.
Yeah.
Mom.
Yeah.
Oh, my dad deal with my case, man.
Your dad?
Yeah, I say it much.
No, my dad never did anything, but my mother was crazy. She used to lose her temper, you know.
And then time moved forward, and what did we get? We then and remember they didn't used to have pipe water. They had standpipe.
Standpipe. It used to pipe water, but it used to like standpipe.
Yeah, so they're like a few pipes.
One was here,
One on the back street,
One on the
still
back.
there, isn't it?
It used to be 3 on the back street.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And people would come up from their house,
Yeah.
and they would soap themselves,
Yeah, man,
right
right
by the pipe. Yeah.
Or they used to walk by the river
Right.
up. Remember, we used to have a little river that come down here.
Yeah, but the river dry up
Yeah.
because they need the water for.
It don't really dry up in a bossy. Mr. Grizzle that have his farm over
Yes.
there. He the one who blocked the river off to build his pig pen and
Yeah, we don't like
The
that because
water,
I think the
yeah.
pig pen, which he built on the river, is one of the reasons why the
Yeah, man, the coral died out
coral.
there.
It's not
Yeah,
the only
man.
reason, but I think it is one of the reasons.
yeah, man, in real life.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah,
man.
and I
How
really.
big is it? This?
It's big. It's really big.
Yeah, man, it's a farm you have over there, man. Big farm.
Yeah, intensive pig
Yeah.
farm. Yeah,
Right.
and I'm pretty sure that when the rain falls and it flushes the river out, I think
Exactly,
I
man.
think it's sending a
And
lot
water-
of pig shit down.
When the
there.
water come and hit on that building, then it make a way around it or make a different channels
Yeah.
to get back to the gutter to come here.
Yeah,
Right.
yeah, and it's one of the reasons why the
Yeah.
coral is not looking in such good shape. It
And
is
there's
true.
less fish now than when you were a kid.
More fish when I was kid, less fish now.
Yeah.
Yeah,
A lot less.
a lot less fish now.
Yeah.
So what happens? You have to go out further to find the fish.
Well, that's what Isis and Walker doing. They have to go further out to catch the fish now.
To bring the fish back.
Yeah.
And then as you grew up, you went into the profession of looking after white ladies.
Yeah, man.
You know, good-looking young man,
Yeah.
and they were here. What were they doing here? The white ladies.
Well, they come on vacation. Yeah.
And
Yeah, see them at the bar and chat them up. Ask them how them doing.
yeah,
Yeah, them doing fine.
show them the town.
Yeah,
Show them around, yeah.
yeah. So they asked me if I'm busy doing what. So I said I'm busy doing nothing. So they need a tour guide.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Around their bedroom.
all over.
All this whole area.
Yeah, man. All over.
Right.
There's a funny thing that
Yeah, man. I help out well in that department. Yeah.
Yeah, when necessary. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's good. So you were doing good work in the community.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
International.
International. Even today, there.
Diplomatic.
Yeah, man. Diplomat.
Official.
Yeah.
Official.
Keep it up and running.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And so, is it true, Cuba? I heard it. I don't know if it was you told me this, or Vincent told me that you went to London. It was you, and you worked at science, not science,
No, man.
pharmacy.
The pharmacy.
So you worked in so tell us that story because that's
Yeah.
an interesting story.
Yeah, man. I've been over to London on the second trip. Mr. Kenaway get me over.
Yeah.
Yeah. To study some cooking.
Yeah, and I said,
Yeah.
and you know, I said, get your skills up and go and have a look at a good professional kitchen.
Yes.
And he got a job in the craziest restaurant in
Yeah, man. In London,
It
man.
was fucking crazy.
Yeah, man. The
Because I
pharmacy
think
was,
we were talking about this because I thought I might have met you there long ago in the kitchen
yeah, man,
when
made
there was a
whole
party
heap of-
there.
Yeah, man, whole heap of big party keep,
Yeah,
man.
yeah. But isn't that funny? That's so funny.
Yeah. First time when I was in Covent Garden, get the money by the mail, and the guy draw me a map.
Oh yeah, how to get to
Yeah,
work,
how to get to
how to get to Notting Hill.
nothing
Right,
else.
right.
Yeah.
And he'd never been on the tube before.
Never been on a tube before. So when I got, I can't see any tube. I never know like the tube them like
Yeah.
underground. So you know I'm like taking cab.
Right.
Yeah.
You were taking cabs
Yeah.
instead.
Instead, yeah.
All your money would have gone.
All of my money gone
cabs.
like 3 days.
You must have been thinking, how do they make money in this town?
Yeah, 3 days. So you know.
So you didn't know about the tube?
So who showed you the tube?
No man, you tell me on the phone.
Right.
Yeah. Yeah. You said okay. And you send me back some quid. You send me back some quid. I ask someone to come over and give me some quid. And tell them to bring me to the underground tube.
Right. To show you.
To show me.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm go there and get a ticket like for a week.
Right.
Easy. Yeah, so
Nice driving around in black cabs though.
yeah, man, nice, man.
As long as it lasts.
Yeah, man, but it's expensive.
Oh man.
Yeah, and sometimes I'm late.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, sometimes I'm late.
Don't touch that.
Yeah.
Yeah, sometimes I'm pretty late.
Yes, I bet
Yeah.
you were. Yeah, because of the traffic.
Yeah, after traffic. But when we get the train, the underground tube,
Yeah.
quick, easy.
Yeah.
It's like three stop. Boom, boom.
Yeah.
In a flash.
Yeah. Pop up like a mole.
Yeah,
On the ground, yeah.
Like a crab.
Because it's funny, you know, you work there because that was one of the craziest places in London.
Yeah, man. I
kinda legendary.
I learned something again.
Yeah.
Man. I learned
What did you learn?
Yeah, man. I learn
Cooking.
first. Yeah, I learn cooking. But first, I go and start peel like potatoes, carrots, onions, and those stuff. Yeah.
Big kitchen.
Yeah, man. Big kitchen, man.
Yeah.
Huge kitchen,
Yeah.
and enough top chef.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Crazy parties
Yeah.
and real
Yeah.
lunatics used to go in there.
And after work,
Yeah.
after
Well, I think that's
Yeah.
where I saw you in that
Yeah.
kitchen.
Everyone get high.
everyone get we clean up first.
Right.
Yeah, we clean up first.
Yeah,
Clean
then
down the
get
cook and the floor and counters and pots and.
I'm pretty sure
yeah.
that there was some
Yeah.
bad thing, naughty things going on in that kitchen.
Then the manager for the bar said, okay, beer, drugs,
Yeah.
let's have a party.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So most of the evening after work, we just like get high. Sometimes when we reach back to Covent Garden, we can't put the key in the
couldn't get
door.
the key in the lock.
Yeah,
You were
and
too
cops.
high.
Yeah, cops harass me about that.
Really?
Yeah, man.
What they say? Do you live here?
Yeah, do I live here? Am I burgering here?
Yeah. What the hell are you doing?
Yeah.
Show me your papers.
No, man, they never
Yeah.
ask me no papers. I explain to them, you know, tell them where I'm coming from and a bit
Yeah.
drunk.
Yeah,
so,
yeah.
you know, yeah.
Got you. How funny.
Yeah.
Because you know when that place
Yeah, man, it
shut-
take hours to go. I go upstairs, plug the kettle in, making a cup of tea.
Yeah.
At the window, smoking a cigarette. I'm looking at them. They take like hours to move.
They're waiting
They're
around.
waiting.
Yeah, yeah.
to see if you come out with the television set.
Or something. Yeah.
Do you know when we know when that place closed? You know when it closed?
What, the
It
pharmacy?
finished, yeah.
Yeah, man, late in the night, man.
And you know
Late-
what they
No. He means when the business goes stop.
When the business went down,
When the
they
business
stopped it, and they sold all the contents in the auction. He made a fortune. Just sold all. He even sold the wallpaper.
Yeah.
Sold the tables, sold the ashtrays. Everybody went crazy and had to buy it because it was part of history. Part of
Yeah,
art
man, the
history.
first message something like that. When I enter it, it's like you're stepping into like a real pharmacy.
Yeah, it's like a
Like,
fantasy, yeah.
yeah.
It was
When you go
beautiful.
in past that bit
He
and go
sold
inside, you see-
everything, Cuba, for millions. All the stuff. People, collectors bought it, you know.
So then you link up with a lady from Wales.
Yeah.
Now I never meet. I think I only meet her one time, very very short. And
Yeah, Christine.
what was she called?
Christine.
Christine. How old were you then?
I was about 30, 35, 36.
Okay. No, you were younger, weren't you?
I think. Yeah.
Maybe
yeah,
not.
Maybe younger. Yeah, man. I think me did younger, about 20.
And she was divorced, was she?
27.
Was she divorced?
Yeah.
Yeah. How old was she?
She was like 65.
Right. So she just come on holiday and buck up.
Yeah, but then I woke up in Tembe.
And she brought you back to Tenby.
Yeah.
She took you back. So you then had a period in Tenby, didn't you?
Yeah.
How was that?
Well, it's good, man, because she have a condo in Tembe,
Right.
Yeah.
overlook the beach.
Nice.
Yeah. So,
Yeah.
yeah.
And what was your treatment like in Tenby?
My treatment was good in Tembe.
Right.
People were kind to you, yeah?
Yeah, man, nice. Yeah.
Did you ever get a hard time in Britain?
No, I never get a hard time in Britain.
That's interesting, isn't it?
Yeah, really.
You know. Oh.
Tell us about
One time I get a hard, wouldn't call it a hard time, but it was a karaoke.
Karaoke, yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
And it was me and my friends.
Yeah.
My 4 friends.
Yeah.
My Irish friend, Reg.
Irish, South African, Scottish,
Yeah.
and Jamaican.
And Jamaican.
It's like a joke.
Me no have none. Where they?
Cuba's just on the phone now, so we'll just let him take his call.
Man, listen.
Yeah.
Strange thing, the Jamaicans never say goodbye at the end of a call, do they? They never say hello, they go, and then you just click it off. So
Yeah,
rude.
sorry about that.
No problem.
It's okay.
Tell us about Tembe. I'm interested. Oh no, tell us about the karaoke.
She wants to talk to you.
Yeah.
What?
It's so funny.
Yeah.
So karaoke, yeah?
Yeah,
And
man.
you and your mates were in the karaoke?
Yes, so my Irish friend go up and sing, and he come down and he gave me the mic to go up and sing.
What song did you sing?
I was singing a Sizzler song called Try Cry, who cares? Even my heart cries, but who cares? No one would. You understand, just one nice Sizzler song.
A Sizzler song?
Yeah.
So they have a Sizzler song on there?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
So I come off. It's a Jamaican song. It's a karaoke.
Yeah.
So anyone can do any song they love. So I do that song. Come off the stage to grab like my beer.
Yeah.
And this big thick guy like just gave me a shoulder like, you know.
Yeah. He barged you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Looking for trouble?
Yeah. So I said, what's up, man? You have a problem? He said, no. And stick me here and said, no, you have a fucking problem.
Wow.
I said, no, man, I had no problem. And my Irish friend come and said, fuck them up with the beer and let's go. Just keep my comfort, me just cool and calm down, and the bouncer them come around and put us outside. Yeah, so we go outside now. That guy still come outside.
Right.
Yeah, and he went in and flick a little blade.
With a
Got a
knife?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Scary.
Where were you?
Scary.
Where was this?
In Tembe.
In Tembe.
I was in Tembe.
And you take a knife to you?
Yeah, man. Take a knife out and my Irish friend said, let's fuck him up now, Trevor. This is the right time. Let's get him. And I was like, you know, cool out, man. And by me, they like, look, they're like police, like cars, like
Yeah.
in a flash.
In a flash,
quick.
Right.
Yeah. And
Did he run off?
no, man, they're still there. The bouncer were hold on him, and another bouncer have me at this end.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They captured him though.
Yeah. And
Did
they
you get
come
into
and-
trouble?
No, man.
That's
The
good.
police them apologize to him, man.
That's good, isn't
Take
it?
him away in the
That's
car.
really good.
That's good.
Yeah, man, and the bouncer.
Justice.
Yeah, the bouncer them ask me if I want to come back, and me just tell them we're going.
Right.
That's good. That's a good story, isn't it? That's
Yeah,
quite
man.
reassuring to
And I
you.
went back to Barney's the next morning, and one of the workers live like upstairs in front of that pub. Said, I see what's going on last night. You do well. Yeah.
They have a phrase. They have a phrase in Jamaica, "Town back."
Yeah, man, yes. Easy.
When a man come at you with a knife, you reach in your pocket quickly, take out your cigarettes, and offer him one.
Right. Yeah.
But it was like 2 or 3 of them in a big, like, you know.
But you said your Irish friend
Youngster.
always wanted to.
Yeah, man.
He just wanted to
In
go.
quick.
He just wanted to.
Yeah, man. In quick.
Yeah.
Yeah, in quick.
So that's when you were working for Barney, who
Yeah.
you'd also met in Jamaica, and he ran a pub there.
Yeah.
And so you went to work in his pub for him.
Yeah.
Was he a Jamaican man?
No,
No, and a Welsh. He's a Welsh.
Welsh guy.
Welsh man, yeah.
Were you the only Jamaican in Tembe
At that time, yeah.
at that time?
Yeah.
Are there more now?
A long, like, couple of months back, like, a black guy at a taxi.
One black guy.
One black guy, and he was, like, with some more white dudes, and he said he's over here and military training. Something like that.
Right.
Was he Jamaican?
Yeah.
He was Jamaican.
Jamaican, yeah.
Because I guess it's rare in Wales.
And him asked me
Not in
why
Southwark,
what
but-
we're doing at this part of the world. Yeah.
What the hell are you doing here?
Yeah, I'm asking the same thing to you.
Yeah, exactly.
Explain back to
How
you.
funny.
So you were working for Barney, but was Christine still in the community?
Yeah, Christine was, yeah.
And
still.
by this point, were you like avoiding her?
Well, yeah, man, most of the time. I run out in pub having beer with young, hot chicks.
Right.
Yeah, and
She not like that?
She not like that.
No, but she did.
Yeah. Whole heap of jealous.
Yeah.
Popped up, and, you know?
Did she throw you out?
No, man.
She didn't throw you out,
No.
though.
Every time I went to her, she find me.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, man.
Well, she'd find you in a bar or somewhere.
In the pub, even if I go to someone, like, you know, after we're done, finish pub.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A house party.
House
Some
party.
house, yeah.
Yeah. She outside waiting.
She'd find you.
Can't.
Oh, my
I can't believe.
She loved you.
Yeah,
That's why.
Something wonder, man.
The woman in love is a powerful
really
thing,
in love.
you know.
Really in love. Yeah. And me left.
Always find her.
Yeah, man. How me know that she really did love? Me leave England and come back to Jamaica.
Yeah.
Here in Crescent School. One day, I hear my phone ring. She's on the line. She said she going to Portugal. She going to Portugal.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I said, why don't come to Jamaica and spend 2 weeks in Jamaica with me?
Lovely boy.
And she said, okay, I'm not going on that plane to Portugal. I'm coming to Jamaica.
That was difficult.
Yeah.
So she just switched.
Yeah, she just switched.
Amazing.
And so you came here, did you treat her well?
Yeah, man.
Of
Treat
course
her
you
well.
did.
Yeah, we stay at Sweet Breeze. Yeah. We walk down in the village.